What's up, guys? I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, but as you guys saw in the last vlog, we got a Type R. Yes, sir. And we're gonna be installing new cold air intake. So we're gonna take this thing out. We're gonna install this thing. Then I got my recording here for my Instagram, and then this for my YouTube. So when I moved out of my parents' house, I forgot my tools, and I don't want to go back and get them, so I got a new set. Anyways, let's open this up. Right, I'll put this. Let's put this right here. That's how it looks. Hey, yo. Oh shit! Look at that I got. Hey, that's sick. That's the intake, the box, the pipes. Let's get to install it. Okay, so I think you gotta start off. Well, I've never done it in a Type R, obviously, right? But I'm gonna start taking off these clamps first. Take these off, loosen them up. And that's loose. This one. And the last one. We'll disconnect the map sensor in a sec. Do I have... No, that doesn't come out. I don't think I gotta take off. Alright, so I got those things off. That's off. This was hard to take off. That thing is hot. Anyway, then we gotta take these two 10s out. I'll disconnect this. That 10. That 10, the bottom. We'll disconnect the battery in a second too. Okay, so we got everything out except the ECU. We're gonna take it out in a second. I already disconnected the negative cable, so we're good on that end. Everything's out. Just gotta put the new one in, I guess. My finger's dirty. Not too bad though. Look at my doggy. Okay, we're done. We are done. I'm sorry I didn't record the rest of it, but I was frustrated. This thing, just like this thing was not going in, but everything's in, everything's set. It took me like 2 hours to install it, but we're done. You guys like my flashlight? Shit. Anyways, I'm gonna get some sound clips in a minute. I'm just tired. There's the old one. Just gonna go back inside. Well, not inside. I'm gonna keep it just in case I ever sell the car. I'll put it back to stock, sell this one.